Hello everyone out there. In this session also we will look on problems faced by women entrepreneurs in India. Like as I said in my last class, if you go through different references or sources, you will find different kinds of problems. But I have quoted only few problems which are easy to understand. Let's discuss these problems one by one. The most important problem of women entrepreneur is lack of education. In India, most of women are still illiterate. Illiteracy is the root cause of socio-economic problems due to lack of education, and that too qualitative education. Women are not aware of business technology and market knowledge. Also, lack of education causes how achievement motivation among women. Thus, lack of education creates one type or other problems for women in the setting up and running of business enterprise. Next one is discrimination in upbringing. Gender inequality and resulting discrimination begin in childhood. From the moment they are born, girls and boys face unequal gender norms regarding expectations and access to resources and opportunities, with lifelong consequences in their homes, schools, and communities. Right from early childhood, a girl child is taught not to be or independent. They are discouraged to move out of the family and take up their business. Conservative attitude of the family members makes the women weak and passive in their approach. Next problem, low need for achievement. Low need for achievement. Need for achievement, independence, and autonomy are the prerequisites for success in entrepreneurship. But women are proud to bask in the glory of their parents, husbands, children, etc. Their preconceived notions about their role in life inhibit achievement and independence. In the absence of the required urge to acquire or achieve, few women succeed as entrepreneurs. Next one, low risk bearing ability. Women in India lead a protected life and are confined low education, economical dependence, discrimination from male, lack of entrepreneurial initiative, or specialized training lead to reduce their ability to bear risk involved in running an enterprise. As I said, not only the general problems or specific problems will be faced by women entrepreneurs, also some other problems or constraints faced by women entrepreneurs in India. Say for example, you might have heard the name called Kiran Mazumdar Shah, the head of Biocon Limited. when she started to take up that venture, no financial institutions were providing loans or finance facility to that project. And later somehow she managed, and today it is a big multinational company has become. Like any organization in the early or startup days will face financial crisis, especially the two handled by women entrepreneurs. The other problems like negative attitude of banks and financial institutions, like what I said in the problem of access to finance, majority the property will be not on the woman name, but it will be there on the husband or father name. So she cannot give that property as a collateral security, and she needs to depend on her savings or friends, with the help of friends only. Again, lack of working capital, lack of managerial efficiency, lack of access to advanced technology, red tapeism, lack of business experience, scarcity of raw material, lack of information, and lack of training. All this leads to the low achievement or lack of education, like that. The one problem is dependent on another. These are some of the problems were faced by women entrepreneurs in India. Thank you for watching this video.